Here I have Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime, and let me show you how to use battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, and to have quick access to power saving, let's use upper bar twice and just click on power saving icon right here. So to apply the medium power saving mode, just choose the apply key, and the device is decreasing brightness, make some restrictions and other stuff. Here we've got the icon of that mode, so now you are using the power saving. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use upper bar twice again, and let's tap on power saving. That's it. Now the power saving is disabled. Let me tap later to software update. If you would like to find the battery settings, let's find and select apps. Choose here settings. Let's choose device maintenance and select here the battery. As you can see, here you can use the medium power saving as previously, or you can use also the maximum power saving. Tap apply. This is the most restrictful power saving mode. It will decrease brightness and it will make a lot of restrictions. You will see in a minute how it looks. So this is the maximum power saving. As you can see here, you can only use the phone, messages, internet and settings. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's just use this more key and choose turn off power saving mode. The device is quitting the maximum power saving. And that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.